How to write long captions on Instagram post. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up your Instagram app on your screen first. And once you open it up, you may tap on the plus icon on your screen to go ahead and write up a post, create a post. And once you tap on plus, you may select up a picture that you would like to post. For example, this one right here, and tap on next. After doing so, you will be taken to another page. Now go ahead and tap on the next in the bottom right. And after tapping on it, in this add a caption section, you need to write long captions that you're looking for. So you may start with a strong hook related with a picture, use a compelling question, a surprising fact, a relatable statement to encourage people to read further, and share the context, background, or inspiration behind your post right in the section. You can write as long as you want the caption to be. Once you are okay with the caption and everything, all you gotta do is tap on the share button in the middle. And once you do, the post should be shared with your long captions. So that is how you write long captions on Instagram post. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.